Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the sudo command, which you might hear people say sudo or sudo. It's a very important command for Linux security because it provides a way for individual users to run specific commands with the authority of root. You must have privileges configured in the etc sudoers file to use sudo or be included in a group such as the admin group that on many systems is given sudo privileges by default. Here's a simple example. As you can see from this output, we know that we're allowed to run commands as root using sudo. The output says that when we run the whoami command using sudo, we are root. So now let's try something else. Try to look at the sudoers configuration file, but it tells us that the command is not allowed. Run this, and now we can look at it. The difference is that we're using sudo up here to run the command that just failed, which is represented by these two exclamation points, and it works. Notice also that we did have to put in our password up here, but we didn't have to do the same thing down here. So periodically you will have to re-enter your password. The reasons that sudo is important is that, one, it provides a way to limit the commands that users can run using root privileges, and two, it encourages sysadmins to use root authority only when they need it, rather than simply logging into the root account and doing all of their work that way. In these ways, sudo reduces the chances of system abuse and the impact of mistyped commands. Well, that's your Linux tip for sudo. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.